Hi, wanna know how to do screen recording with or without voice on your Realme 12x? So, as a first step, we would need to add a screen recorder to our quick settings panel because in some phones you can find it by default and on some no. So, if we will swipe down 2 times to open the quick settings, here you can see that we don't have any screen recording option here and on the second page also. So, to add a screen recorder, we would need to click on these three dots on the right upper corner. Here, choose Edit Tiles. And here at the tab, which is named More Functions, we would need to swipe few times to the left until we will find here a screen recorder, which is located on the 5th page. Here is it how it looks. And now to add it to our quick settings, we would need to click on this green plus and it will be automatically added to the quick settings. So now we can click on this arrow to go back, and as you can see, we got our screen recording here. So if we will click on this button, you can see that our screen recording is asking if it can record audio, which means that now by default, all of these screen recordings will be recorded with the audio which is located outside your phone. So for example, if you'll be talking while recording your screen, you will be able to hear it on the screen recording. So here, let's click while using the app. And as you can see here, we got this little thing which is saying tap to set your system or microphone sound. So here, for example, you can see that the microphone is gray now, which means it's disabled. So if we will do a screen recording now, all of the sound or your voice won't be hearable on the screen recording. But otherwise, if you would like to hear your voice on the screen recording, we would need to click on this little microphone icon and here choose record microphone sound. Here you can see that we are also recommendation of earbuds, so we choose don't show again and okay. And now here we got enabled the microphone sound. So let's try it. I'll do a short screen recording and say something so we can test it if I'll be able to hear my voice or not. So now let's click on this window and on this red button to stop the screen recording, and then on this confirmation icon to end it. Now we would need to open gallery and let's listen to our screen recording. So now let's click on this window and on this. So as you can see, you can hear my voice on this screen recording. And this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.